Welcome to CG Cookie's Shader Forge series. This collection of lessons is devoted to teaching material creation skills for Blender and its physically based render engine called Cycles. With enough effort and attention, quality shading can breathe such life into a 3D scene. And on the other hand, lackluster materials can suck the life out of an otherwise high quality scene. And this is why material creation is such a powerful tool in the digital artist utility belt. Unlike our other courses, Shader Forge is an ongoing series with new chapters and topics being added periodically. You'll learn to recreate materials like water, where transparency and even translucency are key, car paint and its characteristic layered reflectivity, carbon fiber from procedural methods, and many others that will broaden your understanding of what's possible with Blender, Cycles, and its node-based material editor. Trust me, it will change the way you materialize 3D scenes and vastly improve the quality of your renders.